Alright guys, quick update on the FTMO challenge account. As you can see, the last few trades have been winners. So this last one, I'll just do a recap. It was on the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So as you can see, the setup was we had this low right here. Check the RSI. Got hidden divergence with this pullback over here. So you can see higher low on price from this pullback compared to this pullback. But at the same time, RSI got lower. So if you look at this low on the RSI compared to this low over here, hidden divergence, price is above the 200 exponential moving average, 30-minute time frame, and then cross up on the stochastic, and we got the entry. So this one just hit the profit target some point while I was sleeping, and it was good. Now the FTMO challenge account is up by 3.26%. So it's doing really well. The account is growing very fast, and it's actually very impressive considering that this strategy is not optimized whatsoever. So let's do a market scan now and see if there's any more setups to be taken. Okay, so starting on euro against the US dollar. Got a bit of a pullback here. Got the hidden divergence. This low here compared to this, this high compared to this high. Higher high on the RSI. Got the cross down. Looks like we can actually enter a short on this one. It's kind of a I don't really like the setup, but it's the criteria is there. Looks like this one is getting close. A little push up and it will probably have a setup. Not quite. Probably another push up and it will be there. Oh, let's check this. Yeah, not quite. Nothing there for us. Do get hidden divergence right here on that pullback, but of course it's long gone. Pullback, no hidden divergence. Right. Nothing. And don't really have a setup. Looks like this one is getting a setup. Yeah. If we're looking at this pullback here, definitely getting hidden divergence, so well, I can take a look at this one. No, not really. Nothing. No. Nah. Looks like we're getting hidden divergence here. If this makes a higher low here, crosses up. Okay, mark that one down. Can't really compare this pullback to anything, so that's going to be a skip. No, extended pullbacks, nothing. All right, so that's it. Well, I'm gonna monitor and see if anything is good to enter. All right, so I didn't actually get an entry on anything. today. It's Monday, March 29th. And what we can do though is take a look at the actual FTMO account metrics, as that is always quite interesting. So let's pop that up. All right, so just want to go quickly over the equity curve and also the trading objectives and my thoughts on those. So the account started on the 11th of March and it ends on the 9th of April. So another 10 or 11 days left. And the equity curve is looking pretty good. So just some sideways action followed by a nice winning streak. So account's doing really well, $326 in profit, 3.26% in less than 20 days. So really nice return so far. And the issue I have with the trading objectives comes down to the ratio of the profit target to how much they're allowing for drawdown and risk. So if they had it where the profit target was 5% and then these max daily loss and max loss figures stayed the exact same, I would have no issue. But the problem is they have strict risk management parameters and at the same time a high profit target. So they have both things being on the strict side where it's hard to hit either of them, when what they really should have is a low profit target if they're going to have strict risk management parameters, because you can't risk very much per trade if you want to make sure that you don't fail on the risk management parameters on the trading objectives. Or they can have a high profit target, but they need to loosen up their risk management parameters. So I think they're doing a disservice to the people taking the challenge and making it much harder, because they know that they only get paid if you fail. So they have incentive for you to fail the challenge. Okay. So I don't know. I don't really like FTMO as a company. Not to mention, let's not talk about those 25 pip spreads. I've talked to a few people on my Patreon about some of their spread issues, and someone tried running an EA on they ran something on the FTMO account or FTMO challenge, and of course they got the data back for what the spreads were looking like, and they were seeing just even on highly liquid pairs 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, 25 pips. And I've been stopped out by those spreads, by the way. So I don't know what's going on. I don't see any area where you can actually view how they calculate their spreads or what's going on with their spreads. But if someone could point me in the direction of how they are doing their spreads, that would be fantastic, because it's really shady. Right now, I feel like it's very shady what they're doing, because I don't know of any way to find how they're doing their spreads. So any reputable company will show you, live data feed of their spreads, and they will, they're going to have the data for you to look at, they're going to tell you about it. So it's transparent. But someone please tell me if you know about FTMO spreads, because I don't want to falsely accuse them of being shady, but to me it seems shady if they don't have that stuff, and right now I don't know if they do or not. So anyway, definitely think that there's a couple of things that FTMO could improve, but it is good that they have the free challenge so you guys can practice and then go to a different prop firm to try. All right. But anyway, just wanted to go over that real quick and kind of went off on a tangent there. But anyway, have a nice day, guys. Thanks for watching.